Hey guys, Matthew here. This video is just to provide you with a model performance of When the Saints Go Marching In. So the first thing to observe before you even start playing this piece is you'll not be changing positions from this C major position there. So your C's are always going to be on 1 in the right hand and 5 in the left hand. And you're not going to move outwards or inwards, just staying on these keys here. Another thing to remember when you're practicing this piece is to observe the slur markings. So for example, starting in measure 5, where you have you want to play smooth and connected, just like that. One way to not play it would be like this. Rather, again. So one important thing to keep in mind when you're practicing this is the left hand harmonic intervals in the last 4 measures of this piece. So remember to pick up your thumb and play the G for every left hand interval. So instead of playing this, rather, also be sure to play the correct rhythm starting in measure number 9 with the dotted half note on C. So you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and so on and so forth. So just remember that you're playing the correct rhythm for that tied dotted half note in measure 11 going into measure 12 there.